Tyler, what did you do? Yeah, you were supposed to be taking a nap. Instead, we dumped all the baby powder all over the room. What happened? In there? Let's go see. Let me show you what Taylor was doing. There's the baby powder all over the walls. The walls. All over here. What did you do? Baby powder.
Yeah, ain't that on the horse?
Look at your train.
What happened to your train?
What did you do?
Are you hiding?
What are we gonna do?
What do you do, buddy? You did that. I know. You're very sad. I just made a nice room for you. And this is what you did